Hello everyone, I'm Ahana Ganguly of Section 17, having roll number 20ME10006, and this is my assignment of DIY for week 5. For this assignment, I have created the circuit of a servo motor as instructed. For the creation of this circuit, I had to bring in an Arduino board, a breadboard, a potentiometer, a red LED light with a resistor, a push button, a multimeter, an oscilloscope, and finally a micro servo. I connected all of them using wires, as you can see. The potential difference between the two terminals of the potentiometer has been kept to be 5 volt. The signal of the servo has been connected to pin number 9. The negative pin of the oscilloscope has been connected to ground and the positive pin to the signal of the micro servo. The positive terminal of the multimeter has been connected to the output of the potentiometer and the negative terminal to ground. The push button has been used to toggle the circuit between the automatic rotation and the manual rotation of the servo. The red LED bulb glows whenever the push button has been pressed. Then I wrote the code to make this circuit work. Showing you the code. In the code, as you can see, first of all, a conditional statement has been applied as if the push button is connected, which is connected to digital pin 4, is set to be high. The circuit will operate manually and the servo will rotate accordingly as the potential difference across the potentiometer changes. We will also see a pattern in the oscilloscope, which will change according to the voltage. But as soon as we press the push button, as it is written in the code, we will see that the circuit will start operating automatically and the servo will keep rotating from 0 to 180 degrees. Let us start the simulation and see how this circuit works. So as we have started the simulation, we see that the multimeter reads to be 400 millivolt. Now, let's see when we change the potential difference across the potentiometer, what happens. As we can see, the multimeter reads to be 4.30 volt and also the pattern across the oscilloscope changes. The micro servo also rotates accordingly. Now this is something which we are operating manually and no automatic operation has been done. Now let's see what happens when we switch on the push button. As soon as we switch on the push button, we see that the red light starts to glow, the pattern on the oscilloscope changes, and the micro servo is rotating automatically from 0 to 180 degree and vice versa. Now let's switch it off. Now when the simulation is on, when we see the serial monitor, we can see that the outputs are 1023, 180. Now let's see what happens if we decrease the potential difference across the potentiometer. It's 2.50 volt now. So finally, it has changed to almost half of the value, 511,89. We can also see this as waves. Let's change the potential difference again and see what happens. Now as we change the potential difference in the waves, the pattern of the blue colored line and the orange colored line also changed, as we can see. Let's do it once more. So it changed once again. And also the values changed again to 880, 154. So finally, this is the circuit which I created as per instructions, and also I verified the code using the Arduino software, and it was compiled successfully. So this is my assignment for Do It Yourself week number 5. Thank you.